Welcome to GustanCho.com. VA overlays during COVID. So we still don't have any overlays, but the banks are asking, most banks are asking you to have reserves. They're cutting your debt to income ratio. They're not using rental income. There's a lot of changes going on with these loans. If you're a veteran, you're buying a 2-unit, I don't think you can use that rental income on the other unit anymore. If you got a low credit score, the banks want to only cap you on like 40% DTI. We don't have that here at Gustan Cho. We're still doing it, but 95% of the banks out there have these weird rules. The only problem with these low credit score VA loans is the cost of the loan. It's going to cost you some money. There's no free rates out there, but when it comes to overlays, our overlays haven't changed. Just the cost have changed. So if you've been hearing some weird stuff from another bank that you need this, or the other thing, you can't go this high or whatever, come to us. You know, even their rates are going to cost you money, so it's not like we're different than them. We're still doing these low credit score loans. We're still doing the same rules, no overlays. The only difference is the cost of the loan. Give me a call, 630-915-7550. Thanks.